Hello everyone, it's me, DJB Israel, and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, ayan, reminiscing days na naman tayo para sa ating gagawing reaction video ngayon dahil ang Lost in Your Eyes na sumikat way back 1980s, of course, popularized by none other than Debbie Gibson, ang ginawan po ng cover ng Mission Souls published 2 days ago with 17,000 views lang naman, o diba? Lang naman kasi still counting yan, at alam naman natin kapag Mission Souls talagang sobrang ganda ng mga cover songs sila, at ito ay napakinggan ko na po at sobra ako na in love dito sa cover song na ito. Gawa ng napakahusay po ng pagkakakanta ni Mami Sheena, kaya naman pakinggan na natin at I'm pretty sure magugustuhan nyo din po itong cover nito. Let's go! Oh, double ka! Magaling ni Nases!
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirits rise and soar like the wind. Is it love that I am in? I get weak in ignorance.
Sarap sa tenga.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know, 'cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. I don't mind not knowing what I'm heading for.
Galing!
You can take me to the skies. It's like being lost in heaven, but I'm lost in your eyes. I just feel, don't know
Grabe, nag-goosebumps ako! Galing!
some things that we can't deny, and when I first knew was when I first looked at you.
Galing ni Leisha! Oh, wow!
Can't find my way, and salvation seems worlds away. I'll be found when I am lost in your eyes. Whoa, I don't mind not knowing what I'm heading for. You can take me to the skies. It's like being lost in heaven, but not lost in your
Grabe, ang galing ni Mami Sheena!
eyes. I get weak in a glance. Isn't this what's called romance? Oh, I'll be found when I am lost
Grabe, nakakabitin! Ang galing!
in your
Grabe, napakagaling. Galing, grabe. Nakaka-proud na may mga kababayan tayo na napakahuhusay talaga pagdating sa music, no? Sana all. And sobrang nakaka-proud kasi, syempre, Pilipino ang nagbibigay na nakikilala na ang Mission Souls, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kasi mga international na rin ang mga gumagawa ng reaction video sa kanila. At for me, ang Lost in Your Eyes ni Mami Sheena ng Mission Souls ang one of the best covers na napakinggan ko. Sobrang ganda, napakalinis ang pagkakaareglo, sobrang ganda ng pagkakakanta, at talaga nanggagaling dito sa puso ni Mami Sheena. And syempre, ang pagbabackup ni Stacey, no, sobra kong na-appreciate yung yung husay talaga ng batang ito. Talagang nagbe-blend yung boses nilang mag-mami. And of course, ang husay ni Nases, grabe, ang hagod niya sa keyboard. Talaga namang sobrang napaka-talented ng bata. Talaga namang yung pagtipa niya ng keyboard, sobrang napakahusay. Ang linis ng pagkakatiklada, ang sarap sa tenga. And si Mami Sheena, ang galing ng voice po talaga rito, plakadong-plakado. And sabi ko nga, one of the best versions na napakinggan ko, one of the best cover songs na napakinggan ko ng Lost in Your Eyes. At kung mapapanood to ni Debbie Gibson, grabe, mapaproud sila sa inyo, Mission Souls. And of course, ang pagbabackup ni Stacey, sobrang blend sa boses ng kanyang mami. And ang husay naman ni Nisha. O, diba, pinigyan pa tayo ng palugit na talaga naglalaro pa ng Rubik's bago siya magtugtog. Pero, tingnan nyo naman, napakahusay niya. Grabe, ang talented talaga ng batang to, no? And syempre, ang cool na pagpalo ni Ice ang drum. So, diba, sobrang swabing-swabi yung pagkakapalo niya sa bawat beat ng kantang ito. Sobrang sarap sa tenga. And of course, si Daddy Seka na alam naman natin na proud sa kanya mag-iina. O, diba, mula mami hanggang mga anak, talaga sobrang huhusay. San ka pa, o, diba, the family that plays music together stays together, o, diba. Ayan, anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, please don't forget Mission Souls. Ayan, kasi marami kayong ma-enjoy ng mga cover songs nila. And of course, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJB Diwata. Ayan, marami din kayong mga cover songs na mapapakinggan to. Nagkawan ko na ito ng reaction video sa aking DJB Diwata, pero sobra po nabitin ako at sabi ko hindi ko gawa ng reaction video sa DJB Israel ang kantang ito kasi napakaganda ng cover na ito. Okay, for me this is one of the best cover songs ng Lost in Your Eyes. Okay, bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music. Bye bye, I love you all.